I'm making a chocolate cheesecake with a chocolate pretzel bark. I'm starting off with making my crust. So I've added about 15 chocolate sandwich cookies to this bag. I'm going to add in about 2 cups of thin pretzels. That's going to add that little bit of saltiness to it. Mash these really fine. Dump this in a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons sugar, and the sugar and butter acts as a glue to keep the crust together. That butter should be nice and cool. I'm gonna use my hand. I'm gonna get my springform pan that I've lined with parchment paper. If you line your pan, it will pop right out. Make sure that it's nice and even. I have the oven set to 350, bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna get started on my chocolate filling. I'm gonna get started with 4 8-ounce sticks of room temp cream cheese. If not, you'll have thick chunks of cream cheese throughout your batter. I'm gonna beat this until I can't beat it anymore. I need it to be nice and fluffy. Add in 1½ cups of granulated sugar, about 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 10 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. Gotta add in my eggs. You gotta hold that cheesecake together. 4 eggs total. Get my crust out of the oven. Woo! Cheesecakes can crack easily. The way to prevent that is to bake it in a water bath so the heat distributes evenly. Got my oven set at 350. I'm gonna bake this off for about 60 to 70 minutes. Turn off my oven, prop open the door for about an hour. That's gonna help the cheesecake get to room temp, and it's also gonna help prevent cracking.